Now today's jumpers include Special Forces Green Beret, an Army Ranger from the 75th Ranger Regiment, and a wheel vehicle mechanic for the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, a Civil Air Officer from NCO, and a Psychological Operations from the United States Army Special Operations Command. Again, that's SOC. Our jumpers there are jumping from Fat Albert from the Blue Angels up there at the C-130. Smoke is on with Rob Holland. He will be circular jumpers for us this afternoon. It's after 12, so now afternoon. Trust me, there's several eyeballs looking at the side of that C-130, maybe at the jump gate back. They might have the gate open the back side of the aircraft. Lots of time to jump out the side of the C-130. The C-130J model, about how much the Blue Angels have progressed up to this year. And the smoke, that's Rob Holland flying right off the, well, yeah, he's right there, trust me, that's Rob Holland. He likes to fly like tight formation up there. And when I see smoke, we got jumpers away up there. Our jumper today, leading jump is a Sergeant First Class Jeff Menda. Jeff's team leader, the First Forces Weapons Sergeant, the 3rd Special Forces Group located at Fort Bragg, North Carolina. Behind him is Special Sergeant First Class Andrew Davis, the Psychological Operations NCO from the 8th Psychological Operations Group out of Fort Bragg. The 3rd is Special Sergeant Luke Whittington. He is an Army Ranger from the 2nd Battalion, the 75th Ranger Regiment, located at Joint Base Lewis McCord, Washington. Coming in with the POW flag this afternoon, Sergeant First Class Mike Johnson, a wheel vehicle mechanic for the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, or SOAR, located at Joint Base Lewis McCord, Washington. And jumping with our flag this afternoon is Staff Sergeant Ashley Stahl. Now, Stahl is the Civil Affairs NCO from the 95th Civil Affairs Brigade, located at Fort Bragg, North Carolina. Circle, he's doing about 5 to 6 Gs. He can fly in a circle, well he is, but he's loading his body, his airplane up with 5 to 6 Gs, continuously at 360 arc around our jumper. No, there's no way he can hit him, because he's in cover. He's looking down the wingtip of these jumpers this afternoon. That's our cue for me to turn this microphone over to Master Sergeant Serena Hardy from the 9th Airlift Squad here at Dover for our national anthem.
spangled banner wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Serena, you are the best lady. Fantastic.
American girls and American guys, we'll always stand up and salute. We'll always recognize.
Airshow Operational Coordination announcing services are provided by the 2022 Thunderbird Airshow by David Schultz Airshows out of Clearfield, Pennsylvania. Now this event marks the 15th event of a busy 2022 Airshow season that will see this company support nearly 40 dozen aviation events. On the South Park Round Beachfront, Texas, and Joint Base Andrews, Maryland, from Atlantic City Beachfront to FE1 Air Force Base in Wyoming. David Schultz Airshows provides the very best aviation production and operations with military civilian venues all across North America. For more